My name is Vishal and today we will see how to use ParseJSON in the PowerApps. So JSON is a global data interchange format that we use commonly to share the response from server to client. Okay. So yes, so JSON is a very simple and easy to understand and read. Okay. So let's jump to the example. Okay. So let me close the preview window. Okay, so in the screen one, basically I created one text box. Okay, and in that text box I will paste one very simple JSON string. Okay, and later we get the property from that JSON string. Okay, so these are three labels. Okay, so in the first label, basically I use the parse JSON function, pass that simple JSON string and just render the property. Okay, so let me preview this. Okay, so here this is a very simple JSON string. So in the first label, we just use this property to render the value of that property. Okay, so value is ABC for the first label. Okay, so here we show the age property and here we show the city property. Okay, okay. So uh, let's see the some complex JSON string. Okay, so here is the little complex JSON string. Okay, and this is a JSON array. Basically contains two rows. Okay, so this is the first row and this is the second row. Okay, so let me go to my PowerApps Studio and let me preview this. Okay, so in the second text box I basically enter JSON array. Okay, and in this gallery I simply show the that JSON array. So let me quickly show you. Okay, okay, let me close this. Okay, so in this gallery, let me show you. So in this gallery, basically, okay, items, in the items property we pass the JSON string. Okay, so but by default pass JSON string is the untyped object. Okay, so we need to convert that untyped object to a table. Okay, so we convert to the table using the table function. Okay, so later part is very simple. So for this label we basically use this formula. Okay, for the text property of this label we use this item dot value dot name is our JSON property. Okay, so for the second label we use the age. Okay, okay, yes. So you can observe one more thing. Okay, just this label contains just one value, xyz. Okay, so here we use the index function. Okay, so once you convert that JSON string to a proper table, you can use index or filter function also. So here we choose the index, so it will return uh, second row at the index 2. Okay, but remember one thing, this is not zero base. Okay, so this is started from 1. Okay, so suppose enter 1 here, so it will return first row. Okay, and suppose I change the value, property value, then so as you can see it is showing the 29. Okay, 20, let me change the value. Okay, okay, so oh sorry, let me preview again. Let me enter 40 here. Okay, 40. Okay, so it is written in the first row. Perfect. So we see the index function also. Okay, so let me jump to the screen 2. Okay, uh, in the screen 2 we use one little complex JSON string. Okay, so let me view this. Okay, so here we use this JSON string. Okay, we use this one. this JSON string contains the three rows, okay, with this properties name, experience, and uh, active. Okay, so here we simply fill the gallery. Okay, so let me show you gallery. Okay, gallery 2. Okay, okay, so in this gallery 2 we simply pass the JSON. Okay, we simply pass the JSON which we enter in the text box, input 3. Okay, very simple. Okay, so once we convert that JSON to a table, the remaining part is very simple. Okay, so we just use this formula, this item value that property name. Okay, so yes. Okay, okay. So next example is the little complex JSON. Okay, so let me show you. Okay, so in the last example we basically use this JSON string. Okay, so this JSON string contains one master property. Okay, and inside that master property there are three rows are there. Okay, so let me show you the expression for it. Okay, so for this we use this uh, expression. Let me expand. Okay, so first we convert the JSON string. Okay, read this master property, that is a emps. Okay, emps. Okay, was that is converted to the table. Okay, we use the filter function. Okay, okay, once we get the proper table. Okay, so let me show the table also. Okay, so table is not shown here. Okay, but once we get the table we can use the filter function. Okay, so here I return uh, uh, active equal to true. Okay, so here there are two rows with the active value true. Okay, so let me preview this. Okay, means employee 1 and employee 3 with the active status true. Okay, so yes, so in this way we can use the parse JSON function. Okay, so these are the very simple example of the parse JSON, but you can use the parse JSON for the complex JSON string also. Okay, team, so thank you very much. Please like this video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.